Hi everybody. I thought I'd show you real quick today just a couple little things. I've got a fabric folding pen. Clover makes one, and I think there's at least one other company out there too that makes one. And it comes with this little vial of solution, and you just fill it up with water, and then you put a few drops of the solution in there. And it's got a little pen tip that the solution will come out of. The other one that I wanted to show you was this, it's a hot ruler. There's also a hot hammer. They're also from Clover. That's what this looks like. And I wanted to show you what I thought that I would be able to do with it. So let me get over here. And I've got just this piece of fabric, and what this could represent would be maybe some binding. Maybe you just want to use single binding. And so what you're going to do, if this was my quilt, maybe you're going to attach your binding, fold it over, and you want this side to already be folded for you so that it's ready to go. So what you can do is either with a ruler or with this hot ruler. The hot ruler and the hot hammer are kind of neat because you can literally iron over them without causing any damage, which is exactly what I'm going to do. But I can take this fabric pen, and let's say I want an accurate 1/4 inch. So I'm just going to check and see if my 1/4 inch is any good, if I need to readjust my ruler just a hair. And then what I'm going to do is mark my fold line with the pen, and the fabric will get dark because it's damp from the solution, so you'll be able to see the line on there. And then what I'm going to do is just press it over with my iron. And if I do a good job of that, kind of missed over here. That is going to hold that press better than if I didn't use anything. Because you can use this hot hammer or hot ruler to just turn it and press. And here I've done a pretty good job of getting my 1/4 inch. But you can see it's not staying pressed as well as this is. So I don't know exactly what's in here, but it does seem to help. The other thing I thought about doing was taking some Best Press and putting it in here, and that would also help if I ran out of solution. So the other place that this is going to be really good is with any kind of applique, turned edge applique, where I can, whether I've got a template or something in there, and then I run this along the edges. Where I want things to fold, and then just iron over it, because you can iron over if you've got a template that you can iron over. And I don't really do turned edge stuff, so I'm not very good at this, but that side doesn't want to stay, but you get the idea. So this would help with your turned edge applique, and then you get a nice crisp fold to work with your pieces. So either way, just a couple of ideas about how to press small lines, work with turned edge applique, and make things a little bit easier for yourself. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.